Standard 7 Mathematics. Shortly we are going to take your 25 mark tests. Okay, so let's do the revision of our integer chapter number 1. Okay, the first one is recall. Okay, you can clearly see the number line. Okay, the right side of the number line there is a positive side. The positive numbers are denoted on the number line like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to and so on. Okay, here is a 0. The left side of 0 there is a negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 up to and so on. Okay, so there is a positive and a negative numbers are denoted on the number lines. Okay, so look at the page number 4, exercise number 1. Okay, this is the number line. Okay, there is a some places are denoted on the number line and a 1 A, B, C, D, there is a 4 sums. Okay, we have to do as a solution. Okay, so number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there is a descriptive type question. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, listen. So 8 question is verify a minus b is equal to a plus b. We have to verify it by putting value of a and b's. Okay, and 9th one is use the sign of greater than a negative is equal to in the box, make the statement true. Okay, that means કે શું છે કે you have to simplify as possible as you can, and which number is there is a 2 number will come, greater one and less smaller one. So you have to put the sign of greater than and less than. Okay, this is the IMP question. It must be asked in a exams. Okay, 8 and 9. Okay, this is the 10th questions. Okay, ઓકે, તો તમને જણાવી દઉં કે જે ટેસ્ટ પેપર છે એમાં બધી જે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે એ શોર્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે, બરાબર છે, એટલે લોંગ ક્વેશ્ચન મેં પૂછ્યા નથી, બરાબર છે, પરંતુ જે પ્રોપર્ટીઝ છે સમજી લેવી જરૂરી છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ ક્લોઝર અંડર સબસ્ટ્રેક્શન, એટલે સંવૃત્ત છે શાની અંદર? સબસ્ટ્રેક્શન, દેટ મીન્સ કે માઇનસની અંદર. સો ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ 7 - 9 દેટ ઇઝ -2. Result is integers. Okay, all are called in 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, 0, all are called integers. So all the look at the page number 6. All the answer of this sum result is also integer. Commutative property, that means કે આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ છીએ ક્રમનો નિયમ, બરાબર છે. a plus b is equal to b plus a. ઓકે, તો આમાં શું છે કે કોઈ પણ સંખ્યા હોય એનો આપણે ક્રમ બદલીએ છીએ તો આન્સરમાં કોઈ પણ પ્રકારનો ફેર પડતો નથી, બરાબર છે. એસોસિએટિવ પ્રોપર્ટી. ઓકે, એસોસિએટિવ પ્રોપર્ટીનું ફોર્મ કેવું હોય છે? લુક એટ ધ ફોર્મ ઓફ એસોસિએટિવ પ્રોપર્ટી ફોર ધ એડિશન. a plus b, b plus c. Okay, in the bracket is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, this is satisfied for the associative property for the additions. Okay, additive identity. Okay, 0 is a additive identity for the whole numbers. Okay, so additive identity, what is the additive identities? That means કે કોઈ પણ એવી સંખ્યા છે -8 + 0. ઓકે, કોઈ પણ એવી આપણે સંખ્યા એડ કરવાની છે જેનાથી આન્સરમાં કોઈ પણ પ્રકારનો ફેર પડતો નથી, એટલે 0 is our additive identity. Okay, so a plus 0 is equal to a is equal to 0 plus a. Okay, so exercise number 1.2, write down the pair of integer whose sum is 7, difference is 7 and sum is 0. so you have to, according to question, you have to do as you told. Okay, so as you told before that there is a no long question, so this question is not asked in exam. Fourth one, fill the blank to make the following statement true. Okay, this is IMP questions. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to use the associative property for the additive, that is a plus in the bracket b plus c bracket complete is equal to a plus b bracket plus c. Okay, multiplication of integers. Okay, so first topic is multiplication of positive and negative integers. Okay, so definitely if we do multiply with positive and negative integer, then we will get definitely negative integers. Okay, because plus or minus minus. Okay, okay, so here is a form of it, a into minus b, that is minus a into b, that answer is minus a into b. ઓકે, એટલે એમાં કહેવામાં શું માગે છે કે બી માઇનસ હોય કે એ માઇનસ હોય કંઈ ફરક પડતો નથી, પરંતુ બંને સાથે માઇનસ હોય તો આન્સરમાં ફેર પડી જાય છે. બરાબર છે. સો મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન ઓફ ટુ નેગેટિવ ઇન્ટેજર્સ. So what we get, the multiplication of negative integer we will get a positive integers. Okay, look at the figure, sorry not a figure, there is a sum, minus 3 into minus 1, then we will get 3. Okay, minus minus plus, minus 2 into minus 3, then we will get minus 6, negative not a minus 3, minus minus plus, that is the 6. Okay, this is as it is, we have learned before this. Okay, minus a into minus b, that is a into b. Okay, so what we will learn, our last topic. Okay, product of 3 or more negative integer. Okay, this is the special case. Okay, so we had learned that a number of negative integer is a product is even, then the answer is positive. Okay, if the negative number of a product is odd, then the answer is negative. એટલે શું છે, કોઈ પણ સંખ્યા છે, ધારો કે અહીંયા જો કે બે સંખ્યા છે, બે સંખ્યા એટલે કહેવાય ઇવન કહેવાય, બેકી છે, તો આન્સર કેવો છે, પોઝિટિવ. જો યુ કેન ક્લિયરલી સી ધ સેકન્ડ વન, 1 2 3, 3 is a odd number. Odd means then the answer will come, what answer will come, negative answer. Here is a 4, 4 is a even, that's a positive answer. 5 is a odd, negative answers. Okay, so multiplication by 0. Okay, so a into 0, that 0 into a, that gives us here any number which is a multiply by 0, answer is always 0. Okay, here is the example, minus 3 into 0, that is 0, 5 into 0, that is 0. Okay, multiplicative identity. Okay, what is the multiplicative identity? ઓકે, કોઈ પણ એવો નંબર લો કે એની સાથે જો ગુણવાથી એનો એ જ જવાબ મળે, એને શું કહેવાય, મલ્ટિપ્લિકેટિવ આઇડેન્ટિટી કહેવાય. ઓકે, before this we have learned about additive identity, because okay, in a additive identity, any number which is add, its answer remains same. Okay, 0 is a additive identity for the addition and 1 is additive identity, multiplicative identity for the multiplications. Okay, so a into 1 is equal to a into 1, 1 into a, that gives a. Okay, associative multiplications, we learned before this that additive associative property for the additions, and we have to learn associative property for the multiplication. In this multiplication, a into b bracket complete into c, which gives a into b into c. Okay, so distributive properties. Okay, in the distributive properties, what we get, આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહે છે વિભાજનનો નિયમ. હિયર ઇઝ ટુ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ રિપીટેડ, a into b plus c, then what we will get? a into b plus a into c. Okay, same here, distributive property for the subtraction. We have to, as it is for the additions, now we have to do for the multiplication. A into b minus a into c. Okay, the last exercise. Okay, તો આપણે જે એક્ઝામમાં પૂછ્યું છે તે 1.3 સુધી પૂછેલું છે, બરાબર છે. હવે ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે, ફાઇન્ડ ધ each of the following products. Now what we have to do, we have to find only products. Okay, we have to do nothing. 3 into -1, then what we will get? First integer is positive, second one is integer is negative. Okay, positive and negative, answer will negative. Okay, 3 ones are 3, the answer is -3. Okay, verify, we have to verify this by using property of distributive law. Okay, distributive properties, it is here. Okay, second one is we have to find question as it is saying the toll in the questions. Fifth one is find the product using suitable properties. So now we have to, what we have to do, 26 into -40 plus -40 into 36. You can clearly see the 42 is -42 is repeated twice. So simply what we will do, common 48 in the bracket 26 into 36. Okay, this is a long question. તમને કીધું જ છે કે આપણે જે ટેસ્ટ પેપર કાઢ્યું છે કેવું કાઢ્યું છે, શોર્ટ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં જ કાઢ્યું છે, લોંગ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં કાઢ્યું નથી. ઓકે, તો આ જે રિવિઝન છે તમારે એકાદ વાર જોઈ લેવાનું છે અને ચેક કરી લેવાનું છે. ટેસ્ટ પેપર છે આમાંથી જ હશે. ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ, બરાબર છે. થેન્ક યુ.